Hi dears, here we are going to discuss about the quadrilaterals. In Euclidean geometry, a quadrilateral is a four-sided 2D figure whose sum of internal angles is 360 degree. The word quadrilateral is derived from two Latin words, quadri and latus, meaning four and sides respectively. Therefore, identifying the properties of quadrilaterals is important when trying to distinguish them from other polygons. There are two properties of quadrilaterals. They are: a quadrilateral should be closed shape with four sides. All the internal angles of quadrilateral sum up to 360 degree. Here we are going to discuss about the five types of quadrilaterals. They are rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Let's discuss each of five quadrilaterals in detail. Okay. The first one is rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Thus, all the angles in a rectangle are equal. Moreover, the opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel and equal, and diagonals bisect each other. You can see here opposite sides AB equals CD, AB equal CD and AD equal BC. AD equal BC. Okay. Then diagonals AO equal OC. AO equal OC. DO equal OB. DO equal OB. The next is the angles is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Angle A equal, angle B equal, angle C equal, angle D equal 90 degree. Next is the properties of rectangles. A rectangle has three properties. All the angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel. Diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Next is the formula of a rectangle. If the length of a rectangle is L and the breadth is B, then area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, or L into B, the short of length and breadth, L into B. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Next one is the square. Square is a quadrilateral with the four equal sides and angles. It's also a regular quadrilateral as both its sides and angles are equal. Just like a rectangle, a square has four angles of 90 degree each. It can also be seen as a rectangle whose two adjacent sides are equal. You can see here the sides AB equal BC equal CD equal AD, that is all the sides are equal. Diagonals AO equal OC and DO equal OB. Angles angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D is equal to 90 degree. Properties of a square. For a quadrilateral to be a square, it has to have certain properties. There are three properties of squares. They are: all the angles of a square are 90 degree. All sides of a square are equal and parallel to each other. Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. The square Formula. If the sides of a square is A, then area of square is equal to A into A, that is side into side, that is equal to A square. A into A equal A square. Perimeter of the square is equal to 2 into side plus side, that is 2 into A plus A, that is equal to 4A. The next one is parallelogram. A parallelogram, as the name suggests, is a simple quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Thus, it has two pair of parallel sides. Moreover, the opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal and its diagonals bisect each other. Here, the sides AB equal CD and BC equal AD. AB equal CD and BC equal AD. The next is the diagonals. AO equal OC and DO equal OB. DO equal OB. Angles, angle A equal angle C, angle A equal angle C and angle B equal angle D. Properties of a quadrilateral satisfying the below mentioned properties will be classified as a parallelogram. A parallelogram has four properties. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. The next is parallelogram formulas. If the length of a parallelogram is L, breadth is B and height is H, then perimeter of parallelogram is equal to 2 into L plus B and area of parallelogram is L into H. The next one is rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all four sides are equal in length and opposite sides are parallel to each other. However, the angles are not equal to 90 degree. A rhombus with right angles should become a square. Another name for rhombus is diamond. Here the sides AB is equal to BC equal CD equal AD. Diagonals AO equal OC and DO equal OB. Angles, angle A equal angle C and angle B equal angle D. The properties of rhombus. It has four properties. Opposite angles are equal. All sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Next is sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Rhombus formulas. If the sides of rhombus is A, then perimeter of rhombus is 4A. If the length of two diagonals of the rhombus is D1 and D2, then the area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2. The last one is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral which has only one pair of parallel sides. It is called trapezoid in the US. The parallel sides are referred to as bases and the other two sides are called legs or lateral sides. You can see the trapezium. Sides AB and CD are parallel. Next, the properties of trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which the following one property, that is, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. The formulas: if the height of the trapezium is h, as shown in the above diagram, then perimeter of the trapezium is equal to sum of length of all the sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of length of parallel sides into h, that is half into AB plus CD into h.